Gonna show you how these switch plates were made. It's all the same process that you would use on a car or motorcycle, using all the same products, just on a small scale. Good way to practice. We're just using these metal switch plates that you can get from the hardware store. They're only about $1. They're pretty much ready to go. Just sand them a little bit and do the whole process just like you would a normal paint job. I'm going to show you how to get the metal flake underneath, how to do some patterns with the airbrush, lace, and the candies over top of that. We have some teal and orange candy that we did on these, and also some black airbrush work. So check out this video and I'll show the whole process.
Days